hit the trail, let's go through basic bike settings. As you may know, all mountain bikes come with a different amount of suspension travel. From 4 to 6 inch, the bike will provide you a different level of performance in uphill and downhill. The handlebar width is pretty important. This will provide you stability and handling into the corners. You need to choose it well depending on your shoulder size. If your handlebar width is a way too wide for your shoulder size, it will be really hard to absorb impact. On the other hand, if your handlebar is a way too narrow, it will be really hard to lean it into the corners. The height of the handlebar is more relative to comfort. You will need to do a couple tests to find the right compromise between having an efficient position in climbing, but also a good position for handling in downhill. I personally choose to ride with a really short stem for better handling in downhill. The angle of your brake levers will have a lot bigger impact on your riding style than you may think. If your levers are set too low or too high, this will put too much stress onto your wrist. You need to make sure that you find the right compromise to find comfort, but also to better absorb impacts. Having your forefinger on the lever will give you a maximum leverage. The mistake that many riders do is to have the lever too close to the handlebar grip. The most recent technology in all mountain riding is the telescopic seat post. You can have a perfect position while climbing and be able to easily and quickly drop your seat to have maximum movement on the bike in downhill. As bikes become better and the terrain we're riding rougher, losing our chain becomes an issue. Now that we have 10-speed gearing available, we have the possibility to ride a simple chainring with a chain guide. This will still provide you a wide range of gearing, but also provide you a good confidence to power yourself out of the corners. That's all the basic bike settings covered. Now let's go talk about riding.